Good Thursday morning, everyone. I'm off work today, and despite the weather being in the teens last week, today it's supposed to be 73. So I'm going to take the sunny weather and the warm weather as an opportunity to go clean the shed out a little bit, because over the winter it became a stockpile for trash, pretty much just clutter is what it is. So I'm going to try to clean some things out, maybe throw some things away, return some things that I have borrowed, and make it a little bit better of a space. But first, I am in the process of editing a few videos. I'm going to get those edited, and then I'm going to go out there and work for a few hours, and then probably come back inside and edit some more. But anyways, that's the plan for today. Okay, so I'm done editing one of the videos. I've got it exporting, and then fixing to upload it to YouTube. Go ahead and get it ready for Saturday. But anyways, I wanted to show you what I'm about to tackle in the shed. Look at that guy. He's happy. Well, look, we still have snow left over from the storm. And the damage that this ice did to my yard is awful. It is so saturated right now. But hopefully, with this weather, the grass will start growing really nice. But anyways, that's not what we're talking about. Today we're talking about this shed and how wrecked this shed has become. But let's see here. There it is. Look at all of the clutter. And we also use this shed as our laundry room. As you can tell, washer and dryer. And I put these shelves up a while back, and they have now become just a catch-all. We've not kept the shed up very well this winter. There's just stuff everywhere. So my job is to get all of this stuff out, organized, put it back in, and make it look a lot better. Oh man, this is gonna suck. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I really don't know where to begin. I guess I'll just start taking boxes out and then go from there. But it's already starting to warm up. I don't know what the temperature is yet. It's the sun's pretty bright, so it's gonna be warm soon. But you know, this is how the weather is in Mississippi. It's 10 degrees one day and 73 degrees 4 days later. It's just absolutely mind-blowing how the weather works here. But I have to get this done today because we've got like 6 days of rain coming and thunderstorms. So I want to get this all cleaned and organized so that we can better use this space. Alright, so I pulled out a lot of stuff. Swept the floor. That's what I pulled out there. So most of this is going back in there. It's just going to be stacked up and organized a little bit better. Here's Remy. He's not too happy at me right now. Hey buddy. But anyways, also let me show you this filing cabinet that has turned into a mess of all of my tools. Let me show you. So I got to get something like a toolbox or something to better organize my things here. I mean, it's just like this all the way down. 4 shelves, a complete mess. And then that beach tote has got a bunch of tools in there as well. So here's where I'm at so far. More cleaning to do. It's looking like I'm not going to get much extra space, but I will clean it up and organize it a little bit. This section here to my my left, let me show you. This section here which is just a hot mess of all kinds of stuff. Cleaning supplies, grilling supplies, painting, just crap, really. That area is going to have to wait because I've got to get some bins and some stuff to better organize it. Just like the filing cabinet with the tools and bits and junk, really all it is. But next, I've got this little section over here. Let me show you. This section here has, well, originally it was meant for doing laundry, baskets, organization, and stuff. But it has turned into the ultimate catch-all. And this is just tools, just pump sprayers and there you go, pump sprayers and leaf blowers and ratchet straps, and if you can think of it, it's over there. So I'm gonna get that a little bit organized and cleaned out. There's chainsaw, boots, and just junk. When I did do this, one of my extension cords, I just had an extra shelf bracket, so I threw it up there until I can get some actual hooks. So that was pretty smart, my level. So here we go again, cleaning some stuff up. Alright, so, oop, about fell. So some progress. Cleaning out now, those totes there, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if I can get, yeah, those totes, that's yard sale stuff. And those shoes I just kind of wear out in the yard to kick about in. But I got this area cleaned off. And Samantha had a bunch of Bath and Body Works stuff right here. And if you're wondering, she had 2 bottles of the stress release lotion, and I guess because of the freezing temperatures they both exploded, so it was a big mess in that corner. So thank goodness I had paper towels in here. But it's a good thing that it was stress release, because now this room smells pretty good and it's a little bit less stressful cleaning this up. Now I've still got this mess here that's got to go back somehow over here or somewhere, and then I've got to start bringing this stuff back inside. I think I'm done now, and or at least done with what I can do. Come on in, Remy. Come here. Look, Remy approves. He's got space. Sit down, buddy. Good boy. He sure is a good boy. But anyways, I will show you what I was able to get done. You can tell there's a difference. There's still a lot of work to do, and I will kind of show everyone my plans to make it look that way better. Alright, so first off, I got that area cleaned off so that we can actually put our bins over there for the laundry, which are in the house right now. And then of course the cookware. Now Remy's whining. He's ready to go inside. He's had enough. But anyways, this is somewhat sorted the best I can get it. I still got to do something with the straps. This area kind of is what it is right now. It'll get cleaned up eventually, and then once I can get rid of this filing cabinet and get some small toolboxes to put through there, I can get rid of maybe that shelf, and then finish building these wood shelves all the way around here on this back wall, and then up again, so we can shelve some things, and then I'll have my toolbox under them along this back wall so that I can add more space. Now some of this stuff probably needs to be gone through Oh no! The door closed on Remy. It scared him. But anyways, yeah, this is just like winter clothes, summer clothes, trophies, sports memorabilia stuff, Christmas, Halloween decorations, old stuff from our family, photos, artwork, and things like that. And then I need to return that paint sprayer to a coworker of mine. But yeah, so definitely a lot more space to walk about in here and do laundry. Open this door behind me. Yeah, as you can tell, a lot different from what it was this morning when I started. Didn't have to spend too much time on it, but definitely a improvement of what it was. And I really didn't have to throw much in the garbage. All right, so now that I'm finished with doing the shed, I think I'm fixing to sit back here at the computer. It's actually where I'm sitting now, and get some video editing done and some articles written that I need to write today. But yeah, there's a lot more work to be done on the shed, but I will get it done as soon as I can. As soon as I can get some things. I have a lot of projects in the works. Just trying to juggle them all so that I can get done all about the same time, really. Which I know is not the best thing to do, but given the price of some of the materials needed, I think I'm trying to play the holdout game and wait for the prices to go back down, because right now things are a little bit too high, and it's not really necessary to spend that much money to do what I need to do, knowing that sometime in the future, hopefully the short future, prices will be more reasonable, something to what they were about a year ago. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave us a like, comment, and let me know some better ways to organize the shed. And